the heck? Oh, hiccups. I wish I have a great time curing hiccups with no time. I really hope I can. Guys, it's Cassandra, and today I'm gonna be showing you on a one life hack that I know, because lastly I have hiccups and I feel like, what the heck? I showed you a life hack, and this is my YouTube channel, and I hope you will like and you will click the subscribe down below if you enjoyed this video. So I'm gonna wait some few days to bring my hiccups back, and I don't know how to bring it back, so I'm just gonna wait some few days. Okay, as you can see, I have some hiccups right now. I'm so sorry for the voice because I have hiccups, you know. And I put the same shirt as the one that I video on my intro, because I want to be clean right now. So what you're gonna need to do, or what are your ingredients, is just a cold water. A pretty cold water. Okay, this is from our refrigerator. I don't care about doing it because it's mine. So here's what you need to do. You're gonna need to drink some water, some cold water, and then just count 1 to 3, and then hold your ears like this. You can hold both. You should hold the both of your ears for better results, and then slowly drink the water onto your sorry, I have hiccups right now, onto your drinking or esophagus, whatever it is. So I just do the instructions down below. So let's get started. Okay, I just drink enough water, and you can do it 3 times, because 3 times is the real exact time. And look, la 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 la. I don't have hiccups anymore, so thanks for the cold water right there, and I hope you will do this if you have hiccups, because it's really effective, you guys. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you will click the subscribe button down below, and I hope you will follow me on my Instagram, and I put it onto the description down below, and my Facebook account and my Twitter account. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.